Today we talk about how can you enable notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on me down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings, just click on it here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notification settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, you come here to notification, click in this sign. So like you see, this color show for us as main notification enabled with us now. And here can you select period here. So when you select it, click in this sign. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.